This is Yogish here from Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Prafulkumar Pujari, and I am from Belgavi district, and I have passed out from KLE Engineering College, and recently I have completed my CACM plus BIM course from CMTI.
Good. And how did you come to know about CMTI?
Sir, actually, I got to know from my friend who was already studying in CMTI.
Okay. And which course you joined here?
CACM plus BIM course.
Okay. How was the experience here, classroom trainings here at CMTI?
Actually, sir, it was a very nice experience. I got to learn more things after my college also, and most of the topics which were not familiar to me, I have learned from here only, and it was a very good experience. Sir. Basically, I got to know all the knowledge, complete knowledge in 3 months.
Okay. Can you just elaborate it? Like, which are the things? What are the things you learned during your internship here at CMTI?
Okay, sir. I have learned the courses from CACM as well as BIM. In CACM, sir, I got to know about learning of plans, designs, and I got to know Autocad designs as well as SketchUp. And in BIM, sir, I got to know about Revit. I got to know from the basics till the all complete knowledge of CACM.
Which are the softwares you learned here?
I have learned the softwares such as Autocad, SketchUp, as well as Revit.
And what about the site visit? Have you visited any factory?
Yes, I have visited all the sites. Maximum sites I have visited, both interior design as well as in exterior also. From basic such as designs, like we had gone to IBM, IBO, and material depot. We went to some construction sites, and there we got well knowledge about site handling of the labor and many more.
Okay. How was the support from the trainers and the staff, coordinators?
The trainers and all the teachers are very well supportive, sir, and basically I got to know much more support. I got more support from here only, sir, as comparatively from outside. So it was a very good experience with the teachers.
Okay. And finally, what you would like to say to your juniors, students who would like to join CMTI, and would you like to refer to your friends?
Yes, sir. Definitely, I'm gonna refer CMTI to my juniors as well as friends who are in need, and it's a very good platform to get into jobs as well as to get more knowledge and many more, sir. And I definitely recommend my friends or students.
Thank you, Praful, and congratulations again on your completion of your course here at CMTI.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good luck for your future.
Thank you, sir.